Hey guys, if your truck is 20 years or older and your wiper arms look like crap, do not buy new ones. They are all made in China and they all chip and the gears slip. So you're better off refurbishing the old ones. It costs half the price and they will last 2 to 5 times longer.
Hey guys, sorry I got a sore throat. On the way home from my hard day of work today, by the way, I'm $600 head to toe. My wiper blades look terrible. 25 years old. I gotta fix them tonight or I won't be able to sleep. Oh man, I gotta hop in my toolbox here. I need some apple cider vinegar. Gotta be Bragg's and organic with the mother or it's no good. This stuff works in seconds. People laugh at me at work when I say I fix my cold and my sore throat in seconds with this stuff. Works every time. I've done it 100 times. Make sure you get the Bragg's. It's got to be organic. Oh, got basketball in my throat. Whew. All right. See? It worked. All right. Now I gotta get out of these sweaty clothes, head down to the auto parts store, get some parts, I need some paint and some other supplies. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just got back from the auto parts store. They threatened to not service me because I was shirtless. They thought I was wearing underwear, but they're just weightlifting shorts. Anyway, I pointed out to my scooter. They saw that and they're like, all right, we'll service you. So, okay, I got 3M Scotch pads for the job. And then, total of 12 bucks. We got Rust-Oleum, semi-gloss black, and then primer. You lift this up. Now see this clip? Grab that clip and it pulls out. Now the clip's out and just comes right off. Let's do the other side. Oh, by the way, the thing I don't like about these wipers, and there's nothing I can do about it, they're not very long. They should be longer, and water doesn't come out of the passenger side, which is really stupid, but can't fix that. Anyway, I needed a little more pulling power. That needle nose wasn't working. So with the leverage and the pliers, it should pop right off. There we go. All right, next I'm gonna take the blades off and then we'll start sanding. So these you just slide this back, come right off. All right, let's start sanding. Might as well just do it right on the hood here. All right, next, we're done sanding already. That took 4 minutes. I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol and clean it up. Okay, we're ready for primer. So now we're ready for the black semi-gloss paint. So I don't know if you can see that. It got dark, and I want to finish this tonight. There's a little notch in here, so you cannot. And then if you look up here, there's a notch there, so you cannot screw up. You don't need to put duct tape on here and measure where it was before you took it off, because there's only one way it goes on. It's on, okay? If you can see here, I have this on all the way down. This clip doesn't go in unless this arm is way up, because there's pressure on it when it's down and it won't close. When it's up, it goes in like butter, okay? And then you see when it's out, we're 2 inches from the windshield, okay? So up, push it in, now it touches the windshield, and it's locked. it's locked. Now it should go down, touch the window. It does. It's not going to pop off. Real quick, we're going to hit it with one spray of black where I scratched it a little bit. All right, for the last touch, we're going white snake video on it, like the cute blonde girl rolling around on the hood. A little bit of cardboard here, and one hit. And then on the underside, one hit. We'll hit it down low, hit it up high, and that's it, dude. We're done. Okay, here's how the wiper arms look the next morning all dried up. They look brand new.